There is a saying of Paulo Coelho that when you want something, whole the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Unquote. I'm here today in order to talk on the recently achievement of India as it safely landed the Chandryaan 3 on the moon. And India becomes the fourth nation to reach on the moon, but India was also declared as first country to reach to the south pole of the moon. And the meaning of the word Chandrayaan is that moon vehicle, and it is known as Chandrayaan 3 because there was also Chandrayaan 1, 2 and now it's 3, which were also lunar mission which were sent towards the moon. Now I will explain three of them. Now in order to understand Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3, you have to understand some terms. The first and foremost thing is that there is an orbit. Its work is to orbit around the moon and collect the information. The second thing is there is lander. The work of the lander is to have a safely landing on the moon. And there is the third thing, that is rover. Rover is also used for the experiment for the purpose of collecting the information like which kind of the minerals are over there. And there is also a purpulsion module which work is to carry both the rover and the lander. Chandrayaan 1 was sent to the moon on 22 October 2008. The discovery of the Chandrayaan 1 was it discovered the water and some minerals like magnesium, iron and many more. And the Chandrayaan 2 was launched on 22 July 2029. This lunar mission was sent to the moon in order to reach to the south pole of the moon. But when lander was about to reach to the surface of the moon, it got destruction. So this landing was known as the crash landing. So that's why this was not successful. But still the orbiter of Chandrayaan 2 is working over there. But now Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14 July 2023. The main motive of this lunar mission was to reach to the south pole of the moon, and on 23rd August India became successful to have a safely landing on the south pole of the moon, and it was declared as the world first country to reach on the south pole of the moon. It was one of the great achievements for the nation of India. Now, what are the things that we must learn from India? The first and foremost thing is that we have to invest in the space research organization. The second thing is that we have to promote quality and scientific education in our country. The third thing is that when we meet any kind of failure, we do not have to regret or discourage because they proved in Chandrayaan 2 they were unsuccessful, but in Chandrayaan 3 they are renowned in the world due to their safe landing and never give up. So we have to learn from them that we have to never give up. The fourth thing is very important, that is women empowerment, because that Chandrayaan 3 was launched by a woman of the India. So she is also known as the rocket woman of the India. So we have to learn these things from India. Thank you.